Calm is the new status symbol. Once again, calm is the new status symbol. Calm, being calm creates certain things that people may and rightfully assume. Calm has somebody feel confident. Calm helps people see what they should see because it's not emotion based. When you're calm, you can take in more information. When you're calm, you can make better decisions. When you are calm, you can read nonverbal cues, which give you many times more information than what somebody says. Calmness takes talking slower. Calm takes thinking more. Calm will give you critical thinking instead of emotional thinking. And people, if they're calm, they'll have a more relaxed body language, which can make somebody look like they have more status or they have very concrete goals, or even better yet, they are starting to accomplish these goals or really make real impact. So, calm is the new status symbol, comes from the books I'm writing. So, 4 chapters a day, unless I have meetings. If busy, 2 chapters a day, 100 or at least 50 chapters read a month, about 1,000 chapters written in a year, and 100, over 100 trilogies written. So far, I've written 2 trilogies. This is a very fast pace, and I am building a civilization of ideas, one chapter at a time, one book at a time, and one trilogy at a time. So, making some progress on some goals, not going to go through that. Maybe at the end of every quarter, I will go through progress. Till then, I will be sharing concepts from the books that are being written, the chapters that are being written, and the trilogies that are being written. So far, 2 trilogies done, one about patterns, seeing patterns in yourself, seeing patterns in others, and another trilogy of books about experiential knowledge. Book knowledge can be good, but applying the knowledge that you read or study and experience, when you experience and put your knowledge to action, then the lessons become deeper because you have real world proof. But I recommend to have creativity and don't copy everyone else. Yes. So that is all I have to say. Building a civilization of knowledge and sharing what is being written and what I'm learning. Thank you. This is Reaching Dream Fulfillment 2.0. Thank you.